You already ate your dinner?
Yes, I did. You were there.
What's your food for dinner?
I had a hamburger for dinner.
Wow, yummy hamburger. How many hamburger you eat for dinner?
One.
One hamburger? Only hamburger? No Coke, no Sprite, no juice?
Oh my god!
I had fries. Had a drink. Root beer, box.
Wow, yummy.
Yeah, I did.
Me, I'm not yet breakfast. It's 11:39 now. Going to lunch break. I not yet eat. Because of love, I got ulcer later. This is the infection of the love. No eating. For I will have an ulcer later. Patay taning gugma guys. Mayabag na tani guys. Wala wa pata ka pamahot. Ipanood to na lang.
Gago!